2, 3. Whoa, where's number 4? Not there. There's the wire, the bracket. Where'd it go?
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more.
Okay, so where are we at?
We're in Quartzsite.
Quartzsite. Anyway, got here like last week. Anyway, I was up on the trailer and laying out the arms to tilt my solar panels up. Went to the first panel, okay, there's one. Went to the second panel, there's 2. Went to the third one, laid them out for 3, and I started to go to the fourth panel and
He goes, what the crap?
I said, holy crap, where'd the fourth panel go? Well, come to find out,
We thought it blew off.
but there's no way it could have blown off because all the knobs were loosened. Even the wire underneath didn't tear off. It was unclipped.
Loosened and gone.
Yeah. So anyway, the RV park that we were at before we came here, which
We
is
won't
supposed to
mention
be
any names.
a 55 plus park in south of Phoenix, I think they got a racket going where they case the people coming and going, and they see when because there's only one time we both left the trailer. So
Just for a couple
hours, and then, but I didn't notice. You know, you can't really see it unless you're looking for when they're down.
Well, and when we do our walkthrough, honestly, we don't think to make sure all 4 panels are up there because we've had them almost a year.
Yeah.
We've never had an issue.
No.
So that's what's so funny.
So yeah, we get here and I was like, I'm like, well, wait a minute. So I texted a buddy of mine, Aaron, who did the solar install, and said, hey, guess what? We only got 3 solar panels. One of them's gone. And he thought I was yanking his chain. He came over. He climbed up there and checked, and he goes, Greg, there's no way it blew off. Somebody stole that sucker. So anyway, he's going to be coming by later today because I had already pre-ordered 2 panels to add to my supposed 4 panels to give us 6. But anyway, so then I had to order another panel to make up for the stolen one, which he'll install that next week sometime. But anyway, we just thought it's kind of odd. You guys need to make sure you're watching your solar panels.
Yeah.
Somebody risks going to jail over a $185, $200 solar panel.
It's crazy.
So
and the irony is, like I said, we've had them almost a year. We just did our video on it and released it.
Yeah.
Sunday.
Yeah.
And here it's Saturday, I guess,
Yeah.
a week later. So it's like, I mean,
Whatever.
whatever.
So, watch them solar panels and don't trust them 55 plus parks.
That's right. Install of 2 more panels.
Yes, ma'am.
Pretty excited.
Ooh, it's windy up here.
Yeah, and you have a sail there.
Yeah. All right. Stay.
Look at this. I think somebody's trying to steal the new panels I just got on here.
Already somebody trying to take them.
Man.
You just can't win.
We'll climb up there and see what the heck's going on.
In. for
Okay.
now, because I need to get a double for here when we put this panel on.
Okay.
So I'll retape these down. I'll tape this down, and then when this panel comes in, we'll get a double here and hook them both up. And I've already got a spare from last time there for this panel, so I'm just gonna run it straight across and plug it in. And then when we get this other panel, like I said, I'll get a double.
I had a
I don't have
guy
one with me.
comment on that solar video I put out,
Yeah.
and he said that he didn't think the solar charger 150
Yeah.
could handle 4 200-watt panels. It's only supposed
Sure.
to handle like 600 or 700 watts.
It just depends on how you wire them.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, you're
okay.
fine.
Well, that's what I figured, but you know, I thought I'm not going to argue with him because I don't know anything about it.
Yeah, you're fine. Yeah, you're never going to see 600 watt or 800 watts anyway. You know what I mean? Unless you have the perfect temperature and the perfect.
Well, 3 of them
The max.
I got 630
Yeah,
for a
that's
little
good.
bit. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, you're getting 30 more than you should have.
yeah, it was kind of good. I was kind of concerned that my roof was on fire, you know.
Yeah.
So basically, we got the 4.
Yep.
It'll be the 4, and then we'll get that one replaced, kind of where he's kneeling over there.
Yeah.
And then we're
this
adding-
one's on order, so we just have to redo this when we get it
Yeah.
and connect it
Because
here.
they're new brackets now. Instead of being on the outside like those, they're
Yeah.
kind of in a third of the way in or so.
Yeah.
And so we got one for there, and then if we ever wanted it, we can do 2 more back there. But
Yeah.
I don't know if we'll really need it. It's kind of overkill.
Yeah, and if we do that, then we'll run them in series, and we'll do 2 banks of 4. We'll rewire them a little bit differently, because once you add those other 2, then we'll have to rewire it.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Sounds like a plan.
For now, we're good.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
And he is the mobile RV
Mobile RV
tech.
tech, that's right.
So, you know, even though your solar panel may have gotten stolen, every day is a gift.
So I guess it'd be don't count the days, but make the days count.
But
And
count your solar
cut
panels.
Solar panels, and I'm watching from now on.
Yeah, we will do that. Add that to your checklist.
Yeah.
When you leave. Have a good one.
Bye.
We'll see you later.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.